Acha iblut niko we buy garbage bag jamande Red Bull here we can go from Rongram and get it. Okay, so today is 11th August 2021 and we are ready to go to Renang Dare, Dabalgre. We have some purpose out there. Yeah, I have talked with Milton and Milton talked with Henan regarding booking of the guest house. So this is a bike, it's all packed up, fully loaded. I think I need to check the tire pressure and fill it up. Okay, let's go. Mr. T, this is our group. Anang jo, why not? Mama Ching is there, Mr. T, China, and me in this bike. Let's go, let's go. Okay, we are buying some garbage bag for covering up our bag, and some Red Bull we have got, and apart from that we are searching for energy bar, but it's not here, so I think we'll get it from Rongram. Energy bar? We'll get it from Rongram then? Energy bar? Oh, advance we are buying then. Okay. Oh, brush, buy toothpaste, small one. Wari boko charang na nita ka. Mama kiri micha kuchari micha na tamia. Segala chabang harata sekarang. Everybody is talle unsa mutan namje yaar Mr. Tian pernah talle mood kharap pengen dik menga. Ada anse ya. Tungan namai ya udah gitu. Okay, it's already 1:27 now and we are leaving Waribok after a light refreshment, and we hope that we reach there to our destination before it gets dark, because the roads are Kacha road, old road, so it's good to reach there when there is still a sunlight. Right, we'll be taking this road now, Williamnagar road. We'll be taking a right. So up to Williamnagar is 44 kilometers. And now the time is 1:33 p.m. Now we are entering the Williamnagar road. From here, Williamnagar is only 8 kilometers and it's 2:23 now. There's football match going on, MLA football match seems. I can see in the banner, MLA Football Trophy 2021. We are crossing Williamnagar now. What's the time now? It's 2:36. Aro ya, ada Simon ko tao mo nagkaha. On katia daw eh. Dal siya Renang chipak kaya ada. Awe. Okay ra kare. De. Wah, de. So we have reached the Anogre junction and it's 3 p.m. now. 2:59 to be exact. Okay, we are taking a right now from this junction. Okay, it's good. There's a new road out here, new tarmac. Previously when we came for Warichora trip, this was not good, this road was, but now it's very smooth. Ramarang na memang sugong pataha bike salna. Meja bang sini Warichora che untung de Ramarang nam kuzacham. And tahu deh ba ya kena may repair ka blow and smooth dong asal na eba ramana mana bung special ni unja control kenang salo sana ya makan sumsake salcina. Now we have reached Nungal Bibra. It's 3:14 and we have reached Nungal. This is the market area. So here's the very old bridge of Nungal Bibra. It needs repairing, and those who are driving this one, please be extra careful because there are some big holes out here in the bridge itself. So if you are in two-wheel, then chances are there that the front tire might get inside and we might meet with an accident. So we should be careful. We have reached to this Badri Jaisrugatam, Bakmara block, South Garo Hills. There are lots of buildings out here, but it's very deserted. There's a waiting shed out here, bus stop, but it looks deserted. So we are stopping here for some minutes. We are taking a break, and now from here we'll be going directly to Karakol, and in Karakol junction we might take another 2-3 minutes of rest. Then we'll go straight to Dabalgre. But the roads are all off-road there, Kacha road, so it will be slow riding. We're having some Red Bull to boost our energy. I had some water to prevent UTI, because long rides in bike, it tends to develop UTI. Yeah. So we are moving back from a little break. Now the total kilometer till now is 109.9, and I don't know how much far the distance was to Dabalgre. I came once in the year 2019, but I don't remember the exact kilometer to Dabalgre from Tura. So let's find out how much kilometer it will be from Tura to Dabalgre. Now the time is 4 p.m. It's 3:59. When we reached Nenkra it was 2:59. Now it's 3:59. We are in Siju Bazaar right now, and it's 4:34 already. So Mr. T is buying some slippers from here, and we got some biscuit from the Siju market. So from here we'll be going straight to Karakol. Meka?
Anjir sari satong uluk ini sukun mijau dah.
Mijau deh. Tahu deh nam kali ya.
Sari sat apa?
Dabalgre rama amci battani zaman onse dogat kebo nambre jamo.
Juga nambre je.
Kalau
misalnya deh, baikan dah beli mai benak mah.
Singchok.
Sepeda motor rong juga, benar khas nato ada.
Dale doang ani sawain bah. Reach Karakol now, and the roads are very bad. This is a road connecting to Siju to Karakol. And the condition of the road is very bad. There's no tarmac at all. We are now in Karakol Bridge. These are weak bridge and not so good bridge, so balance has to be maintained properly. So from here, this is Karakol junction. We need to take right, and then we'll cross the areas like Emangre, Emanasa, and all these things. So this is Karakol junction. If we go straight, then we'll reach Bakmara, and this is the road to our destination. So from here, I think there is another 30 kilometers. Let's see now. It's 133 kilometers. So when we reach Dabalgre, how much kilometers will be? Let's find out. So this is, and if you want to come to Dombewari, this is the road leading to Dombewari also. So now it's 6:59 or 7. It's 7 now, and we are here in this area called Dabalgre. These are the guest house which Mr. Henan has built. This is another one, and tomorrow morning I can show you from here itself. You can have a view of Renang Dare. So there's Renang Dare out there, and now we are here. Arochinga Nerde Micha Emang Emang Ingsa Kani Ainok. Niya man ingsa yan.
Iba na may no.
Mr. Tira.
Hindi sisa the Meghalaya.
Kasi dumer tu zo. Mamaruk.
Tinggal lamala di ba? Ansing ah.
Okay.
Dia foto mana dia? Ning aku golf tu.
Tahu orang kita lalu sekarang sih
Nak seperti.
waterfalls. Kadung besar iba nangin di ba? Tahu deh kenalo cina meswa tayo nok may bago deh. Renang Dare ko deh. Tahu deh no micha narang cina ning taki. Awe muksi dal ning taki. Yan ang bike ko park kayo na cina. Open. Ano yan? Mini homestay kali ba? And we are ready to have dinner. What's in the menu? Oh, we have some egg curry out here, some onion and chilies, salt, with brinjal. This is what? Tomato. Tomato with burungi bareng, I don't know. Kumka bareng, tala lupa. Aro nakam. Aro micha na blowin chong okay nga daw. Awe chai mang, daw re chinga awe mo training takani wa. Sana kung